ما إصلاحيد أود أنت لأج أي يلانيان.
AI is far more dangerous than nukes. I think the danger of AI is much greater than the danger of nuclear warheads by a lot.
qof walba waxa uu ka baqay ama shaqooyinkaaga la wareegan waxa si ziyaadaysa cabsida laga qabo artificial intelligence-ga cabsida waxay ku bilaabatay shaqooyinka bini'aadamka ay la wareegi doonaan laakiin hadda taas waa la iskala tagay oo waxa soo baxday khatar halisteeda wadato.
And what is your worst nightmare situation if it's not regulated AI?
This is a powerful technology and it's coming fast.
ninkan waxa lagu magacaabaa Geoffrey Hinton waa aas-aasaha iyo maskaxda ka dambayso aqliga macmalka ah waxaana loogu yeeraa inuu yahay aabaha artificial intelligence-ga.
Geoffrey Hinton,
seen as the godfather of artificial intelligence, has quit his job at Google, warning of the dangers of AI.
wuxuu gabi ahaan iskaga tagay shaqadiisa Google wuxuuna si joogto ah uga digaa saameynta halista ah ee artificial intelligence-ga ee ku leedahay teknoolajiyadda. wuxuu sheegay in bini'aadamka markii ugu horeysay abid ay la kulmayaan wax ka caqli badan kana awood badan taasna ay halis ku tahay mustaqbalka teknoolajiyadda iyo in bini'aadamka uu dunida awood ku sii yeesho.
Does humanity know what it's doing? No. I think we're moving into a period when, for the first time ever, we may have things more intelligent than us.
You believe they can understand?
Yes.
Are they conscious?
I think they probably don't have much self-awareness at present. So in that sense, I don't think they're conscious. What we did was we designed the learning algorithm. But when this learning algorithm then interacts with data, it produces complicated neural networks that are good at doing things, but we don't really understand exactly how they do those.
ma og tahay muuqaal walba oo internetka aad soo dhigto in AI-da ay u tahay daatadaasna ay u isticmaali karaan tools adag ee kugula dagaalamaan.
Hey Mom, hey Dad, it's me, Ella. Well, a digital version of me, just a bit older. Amazing what technology can do these days, isn't it? All you need are a couple of pictures, like the ones you share on social media, where they can be taken and used by everybody. I know for you these pictures are just memories, but for others, they are data. And for me, maybe the beginning of a horrible future. A future where my identity can be stolen just like that. Where I can go to prison for things that I would never do. Imagine my credit score being destroyed, Dad. Or my voice copied to scam you, Mom. Mom, I'm in trouble. I need you to send me money, please. I don't want to become a meme.
laakiin midda isweydiinta mudan ayaa waxay tahay haddii artificial intelligence-ga ee la wareegaan gacan ku hayn